This is the best footage I've ever captured in my life. Welcome to my channel. We're about to fly into the heart of the world's biggest tropical rainforest, home to 10% of all known species on Earth, aka the lungs of the planet. It's time to explore the Amazon rainforest in 4K Ultra HD. Let's go. Here we are. We flew right over the most remote parts of the Amazon rainforest, also known as the Green Hell. Some people consider this place to be the most dangerous place on Earth, but it's really just misunderstood. This forest has a lot of scary animals that could end your life in seconds. But it's also one of the most beautiful places that I have ever seen in my entire life. The wildlife here is completely mind-blowing, and if you stick around till the end, I'll show you why they call this place the lungs of the earth. Let's start off by checking out some of the exotic animals that live here. If you look closely, you can see a jaguar relaxing on a branch. Jaguars are third only to lions and tigers when it comes to the big cats. They can reach lengths of up to 10 feet and weigh more than 300 pounds. They are true axe predators. Just listen to this. Their bite is so powerful that they can crush the skull of their prey. While they prefer to eat fish, they're not afraid of going after bigger prey like tapirs, capybaras, and even other big cats. And did you know that jaguars are great swimmers? They use this skill to catch fish, and sometimes even hunt aquatic mammals like otters and caimans. Now let us slow things down a bit and check out this cute little sloth hanging upside down in a tree. I know you've probably never seen anything like this before, because sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down. That's actually what makes them such great camouflage, since predators like jaguars can't hang upside down. So if you're a sloth, it's kind of like being invisible to your enemies. There's also all sorts of different types of monkeys, including the squirrel monkey, the capuchin monkey, and the howler monkey. Howler monkeys have the loudest calls of any monkey. They can reach up to 160 decibels, which is even louder than a lion's roar. I couldn't get too close to these guys, but you can hear them screaming in the background. And of course, there are also all sorts of colorful parrots and macaws flying around. These birds are some of the most intelligent creatures on the planet. They have the ability to mimic human speech and can even recognize themselves in the mirror. In fact, there was a study done in the 80s where scientists put mirrors in front of gray parrots, and they were shocked to find out that the birds started preening their own feathers. When they saw their reflection, this is the first time any non-human animal had shown self-awareness. As we make our way through the jungle, we will see all sorts of creepy crawlies, including butterflies, frogs, snakes, and even caimans. There's just so much biodiversity here, it's hard to keep track. There are so many different kinds of plants and animals here that you've probably never seen before in your entire life. Just look at this huge butterfly. These guys can reach wingspans of up to 12 inches. That's almost as big as my entire head. Now take a look at this tiny frog. This little guy is called a poison dart frog. They get their name from the poison that they secrete from their skin. This poison is so deadly that just a little bit can kill 10 adult humans. Even the smallest creatures here are absolutely fascinating. Now take a look at this big snake slithering through the trees. This is a green anaconda. Even though it's not the longest snake in the world, it's definitely the biggest. Anacondas can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh over 500 pounds. That's longer and heavier than a full-grown polar bear. Speaking of sneaky snakes, let's take a closer look at this guy. Here, he's getting ready to strike his prey. Snakes are cold-blooded, which means that they need to rely on the environment to regulate their body temperature. That's why you often see them laying out in the sun. They're just soaking up some much-needed rays. Now let's take a look at this massive waterfall hidden deep in the rainforest. I bet you didn't think that waterfalls could be hiding in the middle of the rainforest. This one is over 100 feet tall, and the water is crystal clear. But there are also all sorts of smaller waterfalls hidden throughout the forest. This one is only a few feet tall, but it's still pretty amazing to see all of the water flowing over the rocks. The Amazon rainforest is home to the world's biggest river, the Amazon River. You can see how wide it is, but you can't really tell how long it is. The Amazon River is over 4,000 miles long, which is even longer than the Nile River in Egypt. The Amazon River is also home to some unique animals, including the pink river dolphin. They can grow up to 16 feet long and weigh over 300 pounds. They are the largest freshwater dolphins in the world. They use echolocation to navigate and find prey. This is why you see them constantly making clicking noises. And of course, their pink skin is just a bonus. There's nothing quite like watching the sunrise over the Amazon rainforest. It's a breathtaking sight that will make you feel connected to nature. But the best part is knowing that you're one of the few people on Earth who have ever seen this before. I mean, look at this view. It's absolutely breathtaking. There's just something so peaceful about watching the sun rise over the rainforest that just makes you feel like everything is possible, and it's a feeling that you won't soon forget. The Amazon rainforest is truly a magical place, and it's unlike anywhere else on Earth. It's a place where you can feel like you truly one with nature, and it is a feeling that you and soon forget. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, home to 10% of all known species. It's also one of the most important ecosystems on the planet, producing 20% of the Earth's oxygen. But unfortunately, it's under threat from climate change and deforestation, so it's important that we do our part to protect it. There are organizations working hard to protect the rainforest and its inhabitants. You can make a donation to help protect the rainforest and its animals. Or you can simply spread the word about the importance of protecting this precious ecosystem. Now let's go back to the rainforest for our final scene. Here we are, flying over the Amazon rainforest at sunset.
Oh no.
The colors in the sky are just breathtaking, and the view is something that I will never forget. The Amazon rainforest is truly the lungs of the Earth, and it's our responsibility to protect it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something new about the Amazon rainforest. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more nature documentaries. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.